Hey guys, what's happening? How to withdraw crypto from Kraken. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up Kraken app. Okay, make sure that you use your credentials in order to log in. So I'm gonna confirm via facial recognition right now. Okay, and then you're gonna be able to log in. So now I'm inside. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit the portfolio at the bottom right. Okay. Now I'm gonna go and select the coin that I want to swap to a cash dollar, right? I want to swap crypto to a cash in order to withdraw it, right? If you want to withdraw it to another wallet, you could just go ahead and click the coin that you want to withdraw. Let's say Bitcoin, click the three dots at the top right, and then hit withdraw to the external wallet. But if you want to actually withdraw crypto from Kraken app to your bank account, you need to convert it to another asset. Okay, so I'm gonna convert it to US dollars, right? Just cash. Okay, let's have an example, one Bitcoin, whatever available to you, and then convert now. Okay, and after you convert it, you gotta go back, right? You're gonna be able to see your cash is filled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the US dollars, and of course I'm gonna select the amount that I want to withdraw, right? From this cash, from this from this fund, and then you're gonna proceed to add your credentials or add your bank account, and then you're gonna wait 3 to 4 business days, or yeah, 3 to 4 days in order to receive the cash. So let's run on the counts if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and catch you the next time.